Hey everybody, Chris Kennedy with Reliant Lending, and VA is one of my very favorite loans, and I love helping out veterans. And one of the cool things is they have some unique scenarios that you can use in order to buy a home. So number one, the seller can actually pay off the veteran's debt all the way up to 4%. This is really cool because if the veteran has a bunch of debt and the seller gives a credit, they can use that money to pay off some of their debt and help them qualify for more money. So number two, in community property states, just like California, if the spouse is not on the loan, you can actually use their income to help offset the debt that the spouse currently has. So this is super important to you because this can also help you qualify for more money. And number three, one of the coolest things is that a veteran can actually use an unsecured loan to cover the closing costs on a property. So what this means is you can actually borrow the money to use for the closing costs. Now, they would need to count the payment into their debt to income ratio, but this can help you also qualify for the home in general. And number four, the veteran does not need to obtain a lease agreement if they are departing residence from one house to another. So let's say the veteran has an FHA loan and they are going to be selling it sometime in the future or maybe renting the property out. So what they could do is depart the residence and offset the payment by up to 75% without actually getting a rental agreement, as long as a local licensed realtor gives a value to what the rents are for the neighborhood. This is super important because then that veteran can go over and use their VA loan up to 100% financing in order to buy the next house. And number five, the veteran can use future income in order to buy a house even though they are not receiving it yet. So what this means is let's say a veteran is departing the military and they make $5 grand a month and they've signed a contract for in a month or two from now that they're going to be making at least $7 grand a month. We can actually use that $7 grand a month for qualifying to buy the new home. If you have any questions about this, please reach out to me at 916-799-3256. Talk to you soon. Bye.